Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because you know what, in the past week or so I've gained like 14 plus subscribers, which is a huge deal for me because I'm like, thank you so much guys, thank you so much. May you tell your friends to tell your friends to tell your friends. Anyway, so Lina ke moracha maradi mashiane. Namaste. And thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for liking the videos. Thank you so much for everything. So today, because I'm in a good mood, we are going to cook. We're going to kukaranta. So for the past week or so, I've been feeling like spaghetti and something creamy, like creamy spaghetti. Kurbuma Alfredo what. So, but because we're just going to call it spaghetti and cream chicken, because what do I have in the fridge? Chicken. What do I have in the fridge? Milk. What do I have in the cupboard? Spaghetti. So that's what we're going to cook today, and I hope you enjoy this meal. It's a plus minus 15-minute meal, so if you're hungry, you're looking for something quick, you're looking for something you can do now, you're looking for something that's not going to take much of your time but will still be delicious, you're looking right at it. No, not me, the main we're about to cook. So yeah, so first of all, we're going to need milk, we're going to need cheese, we are going to need salt and pepper, and we are going to need chicken, of course. Check it. If you've watched my previous video, you've seen that I've made like chicken strips, because I literally like have chicken in the fridge, or we literally, because we do like we literally have chicken in the fridge. So I am trying by all means because this lockdown has got us locked down, like, you know. So like I've been making chicken strips, I've been making chicken wings. So today we're spaghetti and chicken. Check it. Eh? What's that? Oh, get a trouble. Please hold. Somebody needs to take a poop. Hey. Yo. So yeah, so let's just get right into it, and hope you enjoy it, man. And I hope you like this video. Please just give it a thumbs up, guys, and comment in the section below for any tips, anything that you want to add. Why? Update. Prepped everything, but there's no fish oil. I'm like, do I give up or not? No, I'm gonna use water. I don't know if it's gonna come out the same way, but I'm hungry, so we're going to do that. So guys, I just found out there's no cooking oil, and I've already prepped everything. So it's chicken, carrots, and onion. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this. We're gonna use water. So I'm just gonna use water for everything. Mama. And then carrot. And then I'm just gonna pour. I'm just gonna pour a little bit of water. Please hold, guys. So this is the consistency. This is what we currently have now. At least I just need to keep on adding just going to add a bit of Worcester sauce. What is this sauce actually? Is it Worcester or Worcestershire sauce? Okay, and a bit of sugar. And we're going to continue stirring. I'm gonna add, this is thyme. I don't know why they call it thyme. I'm like, thyme. I'm gonna add thyme. Because I just pronounce things as I read them. I'm just gonna let that sit so the chicken can like cook. And then so now I just reduce the heat to like medium low, and then we're adding milk. That's like 1.5 cups of milk, and we're just gonna like okay, you working for a and then we're just gonna add like cheese. I don't like how cheese anyway, like I'm okay. Hey, I wanted it to be like in the middle. So adding cheese just to give it like that. It will feel like a cheesy flavor. It will a cheese sauce, but a creamy cheese sauce. So you know, spaghetti and cheese. So for the final touch, we created a hole here. So we're gonna add, this is the macaroni I cooked. I don't have a special way I cook macaroni, so just see your packet for instructions. And we're just gonna add that bit by bit. We are done cooking, and this is what we look like. Oh, I already showed you now. So I'm just gonna like give it a taste. Ooh. I could never get used to this. Guys, please try this at home. When you don't need a lot of ingredients. If you have some garlic, you could just top it here. That will be super amazing. I don't have garlic. I need to go to the shops. I'm actually going to the shops today. Also skeptical, but hey. I'm gonna finish this. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and please click the subscribe button below. Also like, comment, and share it with your friends, with your family, so that you guys can have hearty meals, you know, during the course of the lockdown and after lockdown. So yeah, Lina like and peace out.